Welcome everyone! Today on Baking with Danita, I will show you how to make this beautiful apple salad. We'll start out by getting our cutting board and then 2 green apples and 2 red apples. And don't forget the knife. Now take your apples and quarter them. Let's remove the seeds and core. And chop them into small pieces. We want nice bite sizes. While we're chopping them, here's a random fun fact. Did you guys know there are over 7,500 different kinds of apples? I wonder if they all taste different. Let me know in the comments below which type of apples you like. Let's take the apple pieces and throw them into a random bowl. Let's add about 30 ml lemon juice, which really keeps the apples from browning. Next we'll need 3 fresh celery sticks and chop them into thin slices. I'm not a professional at chopping, so I speed up the video, but one day I hope to work so fast. Add the celery pieces to the apple pieces and toss everything to combine. Add 1 cup mayonnaise. I see some people use yogurt instead of the mayonnaise, but it's really your choice what you want to use. Make sure the apples is fully coated in the mayonnaise. Now get your nice salad bowl and toss in some lettuce leaves. Rearrange the leaves until you are satisfied with how it looks. Then we'll spoon in the salad. And then we'll finish it off with some chopped walnuts. Cover and refrigerate for 2 hours before serving. And there you have it, fresh and delicious. If you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.